Okay, so it's coming out. Let me just set this up again to show you where I'm at. Okay, so I also decided to start grabbing this edge here, and I gave it a little bit more spray, some Croil, and it's coming out real easy now. There it is. Slight damage to the bushing, to the metal sleeve. Nothing to write home about. I mean, it's getting tossed anyway, so. And no fuss, no muss. I mean, that was pretty easy. So, my suggestion, if you want to get these bushings out, I don't know that I would fuss around with fire and sawzalls. If you have an air hammer, I think that's the way to go. Alright, till next time.